Hi, my name is William. I'm working for Komatsu as a product manager for the digital solutions, and we're here in the midst between our most digital machine, which is the PC20 LCi Dash 12, which is equipped with Intelligent Machine Control 3.0, which is our brand new machine control system. This machine is not only a guided machine, but really connects to our digital solutions, which are Smart Costruction dashboard, which can allow us to automatically connect and collect as-built data from the machine. So when the machine is digging, he will automatically retrieve and collect that data into our cloud software, which is allowing the job site management to do the progress follow-up of the job site progress. Next to that, our new machines with IMC technology are equipped with 8 years Smart Construction remote subscription. This Smart Construction remote solution will allow the job site people to receive design data from the office through the cloud and also get support from the office through a remote view of the IMC monitor. As the third, the machine comes automatically with payload solution, which will allow the operator to visualize and see how much material he's loading inside the truck to avoid overloading of the trucks when they go on the road. On top of that, that data is being sent to our software Smart Construction fleet, which is then collecting the machine movement and which can be used to analyze the productivity on site to make sure that inefficiencies are being removed on the job site. So when talking about job site visualization, we're also promoting drone surveying technology, where first of all we have our Smart Costruction H2, which is a basically GPS base station for the drones, which will also allow for processing the drone data as soon as the drone has been landed. Customer just needs to take the SD card from the drone, put it into the Smart Costruction Edge, and the Edge will do all the automatic processing of the point cloud. We will also do object removal of the equipment and machines that are on the material. The data coming from the drone is then being transferred into our cloud software, which is Smart Costruction Dashboard. Here you can see that it will allow us for easy visualization of the job site in 3D, combining that drone data with the as-built data coming from the IMC machines will give you a full daily update of the progress of your job site. Within our software, we then can make easy measurements where, for example, we can make a simple line measurement, add a 2D cross-section on top, which will allow us for quick visualization and analysis of distances between multiple surfaces. Other possibilities are stockpile measurements, for example. We just have made a polygon around this stockpile and we do a smart volume calculation, which immediately will tell us the volume on site, which can help the job site manager for improving his job site planning. So in order to get or make use of this solution, a customer can buy some software subscription from the local Komatsu distributor. Everything is under a 1-year subscription, and there is no need for additional software, because we're having a full cloud solution here.